have an incredibly easy way that you can do a graphic transfer that you're not going to believe. All you're gonna need are some CD labels or some mailing sheets. We want that shiny paper underneath. Head to your dollar store and see if you can find some page protectors. It's just like a clear sticker. We're going to cut out some of the page protector, the same size as a label sheet, print on it with a laser jet printer, has to be a laser jet printer, and then put that page protector on top of that label sheet that is printed with the laser jet printer. Press it in really hard with a credit card, and I'm gonna show you how you can apply this on glass. I'm gonna clean up my glass with some alcohol wipes. We're gonna cut everything down to the same size as that piece of glass. And here comes the magic. Peel off that page protector off the label sheet and your graphic stays on the page protector. It's just like a sticker. You can stick it on your glass, put it in a frame. How awesome of a graphic transfer is that?